How to edit Google Form after submit. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we will learn how we can make Google Form edit after submit. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Google Form. Make sure to log in into your preferred account. Now from here, you have to select the form where you want to make the form edit after submit. So once you land on the form, head towards the settings option from the top section right here. Click on settings. On this setting, head towards the responses, and now you have to click on it to expand it more. Scroll down a bit, then there you'll have an option as allow response editing. Responses can be changed after being submitted. You have to turn on this toggle. So once you turn on this toggle, you have allowed the response editing. Now if you go and open up this form, open up a new tab and open this form. Now you can give your response and click on submit. There you can see you can edit your response now. So in this way you can make your form edits after the submit. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.